Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, hey, what I have behind me is clearance candy from Walgreens as well as some buy one get one Pop-Tarts. Let me show you the awesome things that are happening at Walgreens. It's going to make you want to stop there tonight or tomorrow and make sure you don't miss out on these awesome deals. Okay, everybody, so I happened to make a quick trip to Walgreens tonight. My husband was wanting some sugar-free candy, and I needed to pick up some Diet Coke. I had no plans on grabbing some clearance deals, but I went ahead and grabbed some because they were amazing. So starting out, now I know black licorice is not everybody's favorite, but my father-in-law absolutely adores black licorice, and Father's Day is coming up quickly, so this was just 33 cents tonight. Its regular price is, if you can see here, sorry about the shadow. Regular price is $2.99. 33 cents here, savings of $2.66. I wish I had my phone. I'd left my phone at home. I wanted to get pictures of the tags to show you, but 33 cents for these red vines, really great deal. They also had these Willy Wallaby soft chew red classic kind of licorice type things. So these were just simply 30 cents each. You can see here, 30 cents each. Regular price was $2.99, and I got them for 60 cents total for the two of them. Now, the really cool thing about these Trident Vibes, the Tropical Beat, these were also 90% off. They're normally priced $4.99, and they were 50 cents. Now, I would have grabbed 4 of them had I realized they were also buy one, get one half off. So 2 of these were 50 cents, and 1 was 25 cents. And like I said, had I known, I would have grabbed 1 more. There were plenty of these left on the shelf. I just didn't want to be a hog. I wanted to give some for other people, but I definitely would have grabbed 1 more knowing that it was buy one, get one, but still an amazing deal here. The last thing I got on clearance is those Trolley Sour Crunchy Crawler candies. Now, those were also 30 cents, regularly priced $2.99. Just 60 cents total with the 2 of them. Those were the last 2 bags. I grabbed them. I'm going to be having some birthday parties soon. So I went ahead and got those because I know the kids are oh my goodness, they'll go crazy. Those won't last very long, but great deal on those. And then the last thing I grabbed that I thought was a really good deal at Walgreens this week was the Pop-Tarts. So these are regularly priced $3.79, and they were buy one, get one free. So it was a really, really great deal. So return value is what, $1.89. So obviously that's probably, it looks like one is $1.90 and one is $1.89. So that's what we get back for returning it, but $3.79 is all I paid for the 2 of them. Now, if you have $1 off of 2 coupon, which is available from the Kellogg's website, I could have saved just a little bit more there, but still a really, really awesome deal. So if you like this quick, clearance deals at Walgreens, let me know in the comments. The other really cool thing was, because I did pick up 3 sodas for $6, it was $2 each when you buy 3. And then I also picked up some sugar-free candy for my husband. I hit over $20, and I had a $5 booster when you spend $20. So I actually am getting $5 in points back on all of this, which makes it even better deal. So I'm super excited about this deal. If you like it, give it a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you score at Walgreens this week. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.